I think the workers at Renaissance Seating really needs a union.
I constantly have a cough I can't get rid of. Excuse me.
Many of my coworkers, they have breathing problems, like I said, asthma, bronchitis. They just have a constant cough, and they're coughing like they're trying to cough up something, but just cough, 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 continuous cough all the time.
My son said that my health it didn't start getting like this until I started working at Renaissance. My baby son, he's be concerned about the wheezing I do at nighttime. You know how you take a deep breath and you can hear yourself wheeze?
If they don't have the TDI robot enclosed in plexiglass sealed off where when it pours and the vapors get out to the workers, yes, we're in danger. A couple of weeks ago, we had got in touch with a doctor at Yale University, and she said, draw your blood and test the blood and see have you been exposed to TDI. The TDI is a chemical used to make the foam parts on the seat line.
I'm on three inhalers, nasal spray. When I'm out of the plant, I'm kind of at ease, but the next day when I go back, I can tell the difference because I feel bad. It feels like I'm having a bad day that day when I go back in the plant.
Renaissance Seating in Selma, Alabama makes foam for Lear and Hyundai. Well, back in June, they was running an anti-union campaign, and they was telling the workers that if we formed a union, that the UAW would close our plant, and that we didn't need the union and all, and that the ones that were helping organize, that we were troublemakers and that we were going to cost them their jobs, and that Hyundai wouldn't accept our parts if we unionized. They should do what's right, take all precautions against the TDI vapors being exposed to all the workers.